Hello everybody, it's me Jackie from Abbott Florist with some new ideas and tips for Halloween. I know everybody is going to have a party and I thought I'd give you an idea for a centerpiece. This is going to be my focal point, very handsome, and I'm going to stick this right in the middle. You all know that I love my hydrangeas. I don't like to make my arrangements all black. I like some oranges, purples. I always feel texture makes the arrangement. So decorative kale. Can't cook these. This is almost too pretty for Halloween. So I want to take some branches so we can make it a little bit more creepy. Some spiders that's walking around here, and you can put them right in there if you like little spiders, big spiders, or if you like, you could even put a little arm right there, and you have a beautiful little arrangement for your kitchen table or your dining room table.